Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the brush. On today's episode, we're doing some rabbit hunting. I got this old over-under 12 gauge got from my grandma. She's real old, so hopefully we can get a rabbit. And today we just got Copper. There she goes. So we're gonna see how Copper does by herself today. Got a fresh blanket of snow on the ground last night, so hopefully the scent conditions will be decent. So see if we can get on some rabbits. You guys stay tuned.
Oh my dude.
No way I got it, right? I don't think so. I just shot, to be honest with you.
I mean, it didn't move anymore.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh my dude.
I mean, that thing was literally 5 feet away.
Oh,
it's still there. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, I got it. Dude, let's go. I got it. Dude.
We gotta get on him. He's getting away.
Dude, look at what I freaking shot through. The rabbit was right there. Literally right there. It was just solid, bro. Make sure he's gone here. Let's go.
Dang, got him. I think he's still half alive. Might have to go finish him off.
Good girl, Copper, you got him right there.
Remember your cop.
Copper, right there. Good girl. Good girl, Copper. Good job. You got him.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good job, Copper. Good job. You ran a full circle. Good girl. Good girl, Copper. Good job. You ran him a circle. Good job. Oh, I know. Good girl. Good girl. You got him. Good girl. Yeah. Good job.
Man, all it takes is like 1 or 2 to get through.
I know, but that was literally just solid. I don't even think you'll be able to see it on the GoPro. It's literally 10 feet away. Well, we got one rabbit on the ground. We haven't been out long. Copper jumped it by herself right here, and we just stayed right where she jumped it, and she ran it a full circle right to our feet. So that was awesome. Here we go, boys. Rabbit number 1 of the day, and that's Copper's second rabbit, which is pretty sweet. And she ran that perfect. I mean, perfect circle, stayed on it hot majority of the time, probably 90% of the time. She was hot on it that time. So first rabbit for the old shotgun, the over-under. I almost like hip fired that. We'll have to look at the footage, but like it just popped up 10 feet away, and I wanted to try to get the rabbits for Copper just to give her some feedback and that she knows she's doing a good job. So I just like almost hip fired shot right where it was, and I don't know how it killed it through that brush. Hopefully you can see on the GoPro footage or even from the camera Justin's got, but that was pretty sweet. And we've only been out here for like a half hour, so we're gonna keep going, see if we can get some more rabbits. Copper's doing a real good job so far, besides the 2 squirrels she treed, but that makes up for it right there. So you guys stay tuned.
Yeah. It was sitting right here.
Oh, you see him sitting there before he even jumped?
Yeah.
Right here. Right here. What happened, girl? What happened? Did he juke ya? I don't know if Justin got it on camera, obviously, but we jumped the rabbit, and obviously it's hard for him to instantly open the camera and record or whatever, but it's sitting in this little down tree right here, jumped it, and it ran right in front of Copper, like 3 feet. And she just started freaking out. And then she ran it probably 200 yards, half a circle up this way, and then kind of lost it. So, not sure what happened up there, but you know, she's still young, still learning how the rabbits run, so we're gonna keep working through this way, see if we can jump another rabbit. You guys stay tuned. Copper, there's a bunny. Right here, Cop. Bunny, 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 Cop.
Bunny cop.
Copper, right here. Here, Cop. Here, Cop.
There he goes.
Bunny, Cop. Bunny, Cop. Here.
Copper, bunny, bunny, right here.
Copper,
Copper,
bunny.
right here, bunny. Copper, right here, right here.
Bunny, bunny, bunny. Here, Cop. Here,
Copper,
Cop.
right
Here,
here.
Cop. Where do you run?
Bunny cop, right by you.
Here, Cop. Bunny, 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 bunny. Cop, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. To your left, to your left.
Yeah,
Yep,
right there.
there. Set up on him. I don't want to be standing here. I can see.
Get to the spot. Got him. He's dragging. Oh.
There we go! There we go!
There we go. Oh, get him. Go grab him. Cop, get him.
Copper, right there, right there. Oh, good girl.
Good girl, Copper.
Good job. Good girl, Copper. Good girl. Good job.
Good, Cop.
Good. Well, there's rabbit number 2. As you can see, when we jumped it, Justin saw it in a little briar patch, and he got some footage of it before Copper came over and kicked it out of there. And she ran probably a 200 to 300 yard circle way out around this area, and she circled it good the whole way, and we just stayed right around the area where we jumped it. Sure enough, he came running through. Copper ran that one a full circle again, right back to us, man. That's awesome. Number 2 with the old over under as well. So that's pretty cool. So there we go. 2 rabbits for the hunt so far. I think it's getting pretty late. Lions are going to be on here in a couple hours, so we're going to work our way back towards the truck, but we're probably 600-700 yards from the truck right now, so still got a lot of ground to cover. Might be able to jump another one. This is the 3rd for sure rabbit Copper's ran today, and she's 2 for 3, so that's freaking awesome, man. So we'll see if we can get on some more. You guys stay tuned.
Copper right here. Right here, Copper. Right here, Copper. Right here, Copper. Oh, she'll be on it. Oh, shit.
Yeah, there it is. She's sitting right there, dude.
Oh, yeah. Good spot.
Yeah. There he goes.
Got him.
It's right there. There he goes.
Got him. Oh, there you go. What?
Shoot him in the back of the leg. Got him there.
Really? Wow.
He probably started to jump right as I shot.
Oh, probably.
Good girl.
Good girl, Cop.
Copy.
Good girl.
Good girl, copy.
Good girl.
Good girl, Cop. You
Good
got
job.
it. Good girl.
All right. There's rabbit number 3. One of our better days out here, and it's just Copper. So we know she's fully capable of getting on the rabs. And right now, she's just on this one, backtracking a little bit, we think. But Probably. That's where it came from. But anyway, rabbit number 3, Copper's doing outstanding chasing these rabbits. This one was like maybe a circle and a quarter or so, and we ended up getting them down. So that's 3 rabbits. We're just gonna work our way back towards the truck. We probably got 300 yards till we get back to the truck. We're gonna keep hunting, get back towards the truck. You guys stay tuned. Well, got Copper leashed up after a 3 rabbit day. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you made it this far, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. Maybe even share it if you really liked it that much. That would be sweet. So Copper did a great job. We're gonna head home, watch the lions. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.